What's up, guys? It's the girl Abby, and tonight I will be pulling a scare prank on my sister. Right now she's outside talking to someone, so I have to hurry. Kepper is looking out, so I have to do this quick. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but you guys will see. I'm gonna think of something quick and fast. So if you guys are ready, stay tuned and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. Guys, she's still outside. I got a cape to put on. I got a cape to put on. Kepo is still looking out, so he's going to signal me and tell me when she's coming. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. I found the wig Kepo used to prank me. I'm gonna prank her so good, guys. I'm just wait. It's gonna be lit, guys. Guys, she's coming. Please let that catch. Please let that catch. Okay, guys. This is the last time I'm pranking her.
If you ever met my asthma, take me. I got to take me now, man. Come on. Come on. Where am I?
I'm kind of bit.